Hey guys, this is Matt and welcome to my blog. I usually blog on a lot of different things, but as a lot of you know, I'm really into kind of amateur pistol shooting. So we have a farm out here in central eastern Missouri in the northern Ozark foothills, and we've been working on this shooting range for quite a long time, and it's just such a beautiful evening here that I thought I'd kind of give you guys a show of what we've been doing so far. So you can see that we've actually got our first couple steel targets. On your left-hand side, we got a black steel target over there, and then in the middle we got some other steel targets. And then I've also added, a silhouette over here on the right, and then some honeydew and some 2 liters and stuff like that. What we're going to be using today is, like many of you probably already know, one of my favorite guns. We're going to be using a Glock 19. Vision is eventually to have steel targets all the way down the hill so we can kind of go back and forth as far as that's concerned and really hone the skills. So enjoy as I show you kind of stage one. This is stage one of our shooting range. Okay, now let's see if I can hit anything. Looks like we got one thing right there. Let's finish them off. There it is, everyone. Glock 19, and hope you enjoyed it. The first evolution of the shooting range, first stage of the shooting range, and we'll see you once we get it a little more put together. So, hope you enjoyed that, and over and out.